It had been raining hard for weeks. Laura was feeling miserable. Toby was feeling miserable. Toby was wet. Oh! Percy was wet. Boulder was wet. Lady Hat was wet.
Perfect! Oh, shit!
Only the Great Wall was stopping the water from overflowing.
Driver tells me it may be dangerous up there.
Toby was very worried. Soon he knew why. The dam's breaking up!
We're fucked!
We must find high ground.
I have the high ground!
Toby was halfway across the bridge when disaster struck.
Here comes Thomas!
Help! Beware the waterfall. Go over that waterfall, and they did. Just then, Percy arrived. Harold flew over to him.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
When the floods were over and the Great Wall mended, the villagers had a big party for Toby. Never mind.